Let's move on. And the government is considering telecom industry's demand for AGR waiver. Now, CNBC TV 18 has independently confirmed the news report. Asmit is joining in with us to give us that detail.
Well, clearly this has been a long pending demand of the industry. The industry, suffering repeated setbacks at the hands of the Supreme Court, had turned to the doors of the DOT, the government, to grant some relief. Now, since the September 2024 decision by the Supreme Court, which closed the chapter on the Supreme Court proceedings, rejecting the curative application, there were concerns raised by the affected telecom players before the DOT, and that is what the government has chosen to respond to by way of considering the submissions that have been made. Bear in mind, the figures are mammoth as far as the industry is concerned. Vodafone Idea, with the staggered interest payments, that figure, that AGR demand figure, has stacked up to north of 80,000 crore rupees. Bharti Airtel is somewhere in the neighborhood of about 42,000 crore rupees. And these figures is something that they're competing with, that they're struggling with. And towards that end, the government is contemplating, not deciding as of yet, but contemplating waiving off the penalty and the interest component of the AGR demand. The AGR demand had a principal, an interest and a penalty component. The government is considering waiving off the penalty and the interest component, either fully or partially. That is under consideration. But there are a few aspects to bear in mind. Number one, the Supreme Court repeatedly in 2019, 2020, 2021, then subsequently in 2024 has dismissed any and all approaches being made by the telecom companies to dilute this demand, to readdress this demand, to recompute the demand. In fact, the only relief that they've allowed is a moratorium and a staggered payment, and that too with an interest component, so that the net present value is maintained. That is importantly something to bear in mind. That moratorium runs out later this year. Those payments start kicking in September 2026. And finally, the third aspect, that if at all a waiver is granted, this would be relinquishing of public funds by the government to the private sector. That is something that is going to weigh on the minds of the government as they go about the various levels of approvals that may be required for this decision. So no timeline yet, no final decision yet. But yes, the government is considering if at all a relief can be granted to the telecom sector. Back to you.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Ashmit. Now, the much awaited